Well, Belmont County Route 16, Township Road, I guess. I give it a thumbs up. What do you give it?
It's alright.
Just all right, she says.
Yeah.
You have a favorite?
No. You have a favorite?
Yeah. Anytime I'm on my motorcycle.
Yeah?
Yeah. I kind of like, 164 from Burgos to Slate. I like that one from out there, Dover, Venture to 36 at what, 751?
Yeah.
Like 93 cuts across there. 60. I like riding down through Wayne's National Park. But you know, I always come back to think about that New Hampshire ride when it was raining. Remember the
Yeah.
second day of rain? We went up through the mountain, had the creek on the side.
And
That
the
was,
log cabins and they had fires
yeah,
going. That's what I liked.
that was beautiful up there. Too
Yeah.
bad it was raining.
Yeah, too
The
cold.
damn camera didn't work too good. So,
I didn't really care for Tail of Dragon.
uh,
Wasn't what it was cracked up to be.
and then the sunflower fields
Yeah.
early in the morning.
Where is that at? Because you're cutting out. Hello?
Yes,
What did you say about sunflower fields? Because you cut out and I couldn't hear you.
I said it was beautiful out there through there early in the morning that day.
Where at?
No, it was in South Dakota, wasn't it
Oh,
South Dakota?
yeah.
And
My favorite was coming down that hill and it had, what was that? Like a water on the sides and, what was that, Roger?
I don't know, you have to give me more detail.
I don't know.
Coming down the hill with water on the side.
In South
Uh,
Dakota. I think, yeah, that's where the sunflowers were, I think.
that was the day after we met up with JR and Jim.
Yeah.
Remember? We
Yeah.
got up early the next morning. We were heading to meet Pony Boy.
Yeah.
And we were on Interstate 90. And we come down over the hill. And that on the right side was a lake or something. And then we come into that big, humongous sunflower fields.
Yeah, that's what was my favorite.
The lighting was just perfect and everything else. And the camera wasn't working.
Yeah, that's right. And my stupid thing wasn't working half the time. Remember, it
Yeah,
kept saying stupid
yeah.
stuff.
Uh,
It's stuff you buy from this Harley stuff. Some of it's junk. Oh,
yeah,
oh.
but from the first time we started until now, I think they're getting better and better.
Yeah,
They
it's like
really
with
do.
anything else. You
So,
first run out and get it, and it's garbage because they haven't worked out the kinks in it yet. This is so much better having these intercoms than trying to wave you down and tell you different things. You know?
Yep. Trying to have you flash your lights and stuff like that.
Yeah, that was terrible. Especially when I had old Elvis and I always forgot to buckle my saddlebags down. I always had to stop.
Live and learn.
Yeah.
At the bottom of this hill, we're going to make a right.
You
Go
think?
back up. Yeah,
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Unless you want to make a U-turn up here again.
No, I'm over that.
Yeah. You guys need to check out the earlier video of her making a U-turn. She bitched me out pretty good.
I did what?
Bitched me out pretty good.
I wouldn't say that. Don't exaggerate.
Should have it on film, guys. Need to check it out. See who's right, who's wrong.
I didn't yell. I just said, you gotta quit doing this to me.
Like I said, I didn't do it on purpose. I warned you back in Dillonville that the road was going to come up, and I wasn't sure exactly where it was.
And we're going back out this way, the same way we came in.
Not all the way. We're going to, once we get to Mount Pleasant, where we turned left up there, come up to Mount Pleasant.
Yes.
We're going to go a block past there and get on this is 150, I think, and it takes you to 250.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll make a right and take that into Cadiz.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit different, but this part here is the same way we rode this morning.
Okay.
So I just wanted to kind of double check and make sure we got it on film. But the leaves don't seem like they turned as much as they did up at our place.
No.
We're further north than this. If you remember where I said that County Road 1 up here?
I think I did.
Okay. You make a right there. That's what takes you out to that golf course out there, or you can go down there.
Oh, where you said you wanted to go? I lost you. This Siri must have came on. In Mount Pleasant. I don't know what happened to Roger. I kind of lost him. I don't know if his battery went dead or what happened.
You there?
Yeah, what happened?
JR called.
Oh.
I didn't even answer. It's